there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook. Thank you for joining me. In today's video tutorial, we are doing our last segment of the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket. Today we are working on our border. As you can see here, I have 2 rows going around the border, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So this is the last steps that we will be doing for the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket. And as you can see here, I only have a little piece just to demonstrate what we're going to be doing in our border. So we are going to start with round 1. And what we are going to do here, we're going to put our slip knot in the first single crochet, which will be right at the edge of our corner. You have the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the corner stitch, and we are going to join in that single crochet. So we're going to attach our yarn there with the slip stitch. We're going to chain 1, and we're just going to single crochet across our border until we come to the corner. So as you can see here, I am folding my tail of yarn in there so I don't have to go around and cut all my ends that are exposed. As I said before, you might want to do it as you go. That way you're not going back and forth, cutting all your little strings that are sticking out. Okay, so I am right here at the corner, which is that single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So we're going to single crochet in that single crochet, and then we're going to do the same thing we did in that corner. In the chain 1 space, you're going to single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Okay, so that will be the top edge of your square there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down to where our next 2 squares connect, and we're going to do something a little different here. So we're going to crochet down to that corner stitch, until we get to that single crochet, chain 1, single crochet of our corner. And we are going to single crochet in that first single crochet of our corner. Okay, so next you will just single crochet in that chain 1 space. Okay, then you're going to leave that extra single crochet alone that's in that corner. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect your next square by going into that chain 1 space, and you're just going to single crochet in there, and that will help connect our squares. And then as you go around on the second row, it's going to help you keep your ridges standing up. Okay, so we just single crocheted in the chain 1 space of our 2 connecting corners. So we're going to single crochet to our next 2 connecting squares, and then we're just going to do the same thing we just did in there. Okay, so I am at the chain 1 space of my first square. So again, you're just going to single crochet in that chain 1 space, then go to the chain 1 space of your connecting your connecting corner, excuse me, and put a single crochet there. Okay, then you're just going to single crochet across the top until you come to that next corner, and this will be your edge corner, depending on the size that you did. Single crochet all the way over to that chain 1 space in our corner. Okay, so I'm at the chain 1 space, and all you're going to do here is put your corner stitches in there, which will be the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Okay, so that would be your first row across the top of your baby blanket. So when you come to your corners that are not connected, you are going to put your corner stitch there, the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Then when you come to your connecting corners of your squares, you're just going to single crochet in the chain 1 spaces to connect your squares. Okay, then you do the same thing for your next connecting corners until you get to your top corner, and then all you do is put your corner stitches in there, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Okay, and then you just keep going around doing what we did. When you come to a corner, you put the corner stitch there. When you come to your connecting squares, you single crochet in that chain 1 space, then single crochet in the connecting squares, chain 1 space. So that is it for round 1. I am going to go ahead and finish going around my little example here, and I will meet you back and we will do round 2. Okay, welcome back. We have completed round 1 of our border, and as you can see, I did mine. I apologize for the color change. Some reason one of my videos didn't upload, so I had to start over. So as you can see, it is a color change, but it's just, you guys are okay if you use one color. Okay, so we are back to the beginning of our round 1 of our border. So I have a couple stitches here, so I'm going to crochet up to the corner, and you have that single crochet, chain 1, single crochet right there at the corner. So you single crochet in the first one, and then you do your corner stitch, which is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Okay, so then you would slip stitch in the first stitch that you made on round 1. So we're going to slip stitch there. We're going to chain 1, then we're going to single crochet in that same space. Okay, so now we're going to do round 2, and this should be pretty easy because you just follow along where you single crochet in every single crochet, and then when you come to that chain 1 space in your corner, you place single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and then when you get down to the side where you joined your corners, you're just going to single crochet in those. So I would do the first row here. So we're going to single crochet all the way across until we come to our corner. Okay. Now we are at our corner. We have that single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So you single crochet in that first single crochet. Then you do your corner, which is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Okay? And then you just continue single crocheting along in every stitch until you come to your next corner. And then you do your corner stitch in the chain 1 space. Single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, all in that chain 1 space. And again, you just single crochet in every single crochet to your corner and do your corner stitch. And then you just do that all the way around until you come back to where you began. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and finish my round 2, and then I will come back and we will complete round 2, and we will finish off our border for our Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket, and then we will be done. So join me for the next video, and I will meet you back as I go around my border. Hi there, welcome back. I have completed round 2 of my border, and as you can see, I am back up to my starting point. I am right there at the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, which is the corner of our last square. So we are going to single crochet in the next single crochet, add our corner stitch, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and then you are going to slip stitch in that first stitch that you made of round 2. And that's it. You have completed your Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket. If you want, that's up to you. You can continue going around adding more layers to your border. And I was just going to give you a couple tips on how to get your ridges straight, get your squares laying flat. I actually steamed my flowers, or my stars, I'm sorry. I steamed my stars to get them to lay flat, and then I steamed the ridges, taking the corner of the iron and going into all the corners around on your front loops. So that will make your ridges stand up nice and tall. Okay, so as you can see, this is my completed blanket, and it's been moved around so much, so I'm gonna have to block it again. So again, I steamed everything to get them to lay flat. You don't want to get it too hot because you don't want to melt your yarn. So there's that. Okay, so thank you for joining me. I would love, love, love to see your version of the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket. I will provide my social media links and the hashtag that you can use when you share your Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket with me. I would love, love, love to see it. And the full pattern will be available at Ravelry and my Etsy shop, so be sure to look for that. Again, if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do that so you'll be notified when I create another video or a free pattern that you can follow. Again, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook and Jo's Crafty Hook Designs. Congratulations on completing your Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby blanket.